Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet sock designs. So viewers, don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. You know guys, some people have different choice. Some people like bright colors and some people like light colors. In this video you see all colors. Crochet frog pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. This crochet frog pattern looking elaborate as you want. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work together. This cute crochet frog pattern as a gift for your friend on her birthday and party functions. All of this design look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These patterns are beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So friends, share this video to your family members and your friend. Please